You can earn free 30,000 naira just by spinning a wheel. Yes, it's for free. Everybody has been rushing to this website since last week, and I decided to give it a try. And voila, I earned my own 30,000 naira. A lot of people have earned more than that, but me, I just withdraw my 30,000 naira, which is on the screen right now. So I'm going to teach you how you can do that and earn money for yourself. Hello, my name is Ekirika Franca Omoha. Yeah, I'm Coach Nikki. In this channel, we teach everything about money, how you can make money, from every source that concerns internet, online, with your smartphone. You understand? So all you have to do, if you're first time of coming across my video, all you have to do is to like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification bell so that if I drop a video, you'll be first to get notified. You understand? So because we are going to be dropping back to back how I earn my own money online, and I know most of you want to. This channel is not a clickbait channel. Everything I teach you here, I've made use of it and it has worked for me. You understand? All you have to do is to sit back and watch. Let us go into the website now. So guys, if you click the link on below the description box or in the comment section, it will bring you here. All you have to do is to register with your email or mobile number, anyone you choose to register, you get. So let me log in so that we'll go inside and show you what to do next to earn money. So I have logged into my own. Once you log in, you can download, sorry, you can download what's it called, the app from here, so for easy access. Then it's you will click invitation. You see where they wrote invitation down here, invitation here. You will click it. Once you click it, you will see they will give you two spin once you register. Then you spin. Once you spin, they will give you 29,000 something. So the remaining one you have to spin. Then task to do for you to able to get more spin is you click on more spin. You will see daily login, install app, join telegram, invite friends. This is the task that you can do to able to get more spin. You understand? So once you see my own is remaining 25 naira to get to 30,000 naira, because I've already withdrawn the first one. This is the second one. As I show you, this is the second one. That's all you have to do. You can invite your family and friends to join. It's just very simple. You don't have to pay any dime. You don't have to pay any money to join. Just register. You come to this invitation where they wrote invitation, click it. You will see more spin. Just perform the task there so that you will get more spin. You understand? So that's just it.